Hello dolls and welcome back. Today we're going to do a short pixie haircut. These are the products that I'm going to use today. I'm going to relax, deep condition, color, mold, and curl my hair today. So come on, let's go. This is how I started out. My hair is already cut short, so I'm going to relax it first. And I'm going to go in with my color and I'm going to apply it. Next, I am going to put a plastic cap over my head and I'm going to apply some heat and sit in the dryer. FYI, heat opens up your cuticles and deposits the color, and cool water cools it off and locks it in. Next, I am going to use this coconut milk by Cream of Nature. It's a leave-in conditioner. I like to use it because it adds moisture in my hair and it seals in when I mold my hair. Next, I am going in with the razor. The razor that I use, I get from my local beauty supply store. I like to use this razor because it ensures that I do not cut any holes or cut too much hair off. As you can see, I just hold the hair out and I go in and I razor down. To go in with the scissors. This is the fun part for me. With the razor, I just go in and I razor down my sides, my back, and my points. Now with the razor, I go in and I shape up and I blend in the top with the sides and the back to make sure I have an even cut. I do like my hair really, really short, so you will see me cutting off a lot of hair. not done with a cut, so I go in and check it, and I make sure that I have an even side. I do see a little bit of flaws, but hey, I'm doing it myself. Now I'm going in with the mold. The mold is very important, guys. You have to have a nice, good, clean mold. But not only that, the product that I'm using is Black-owned company by Influence. It's the honey and almond mousse. This is my go-to mousse. I do not use anything else. I have tried Nairobi and other mousse companies, but this one is the holy grail. It's by Influence. I will link it down in the description box. Now I am wrapping my hair and I'm about to get into the dryer. I use black wrap strips and that's the only kind that I like. Get them from my local beauty supply. Of course, I will link the description down below. Now, guys, I'm gonna add a little oil to my hair to stick it down, to smooth it, and also it locks in moisture when I start to curl my hair. So mold's all done. Look how slick. I love my hair. Fresh relaxer. You can see I do need to shake my hair up, but I'm gonna let my husband do it. But mold is all there. I can actually wear my hair like this. This is like a no heat style. I can go about my business, but today I'm gonna do the whole shebang for you guys, and I'm going to curl it and show you guys how I curl my hair and how it turns out.